How to get free stuff on Temu without inviting anyone. Hey everybody, welcome back. In order to potentially get free stuff on Temu, you need to go ahead and focus on engaging with the platform, participating in promotions, and leaving positive reviews if you don't want to invite anyone. So there are different kind of offers going on. For example, you can head over to the U tab as well. You can also go over to messages, and here you should be finding different promotions as well given by the application. So for example, we have this tweet. You can accept these kind of offers can by the Temu itself. You can go ahead and don't miss out this kind of offers. Along with that, you can also follow up social media accounts of Temu and demonstrate your interest in potentially leading to freebies. And Temu may also offer different services like this on here. You can go ahead and follow up the steps in order to get more offers from Temu. Along with that, giving positive reviews on the products also leads to increasing your chances of receiving free products or services in the future. And along with that, consistent purchases. So go ahead and make your purchases consistent on the Temu, and that will increase your chances of receiving free products or services as a reward for your loyalty. So that is it for now. That is how you get free stuff on Temu without even inviting anyone. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.